Did you take the video?
He's gonna be a little sticky.
Do it again, Jackson. Eat your cake. Is that good?
Now he's hungry, Mom.
Oh yeah. Sugar high.
Yeah.
All right, Madison, get your head back.
Good stuff.
Quit smacking.
You know, I don't know. Do we?
Cover your nose.
Yes, everybody.
Really?
Right.
I know.
Did you get some pictures?
Yeah, Grampy took some.
All right,
pictures.
good.
Is that good?
Really,
Yeah.
he's not getting his message. You'd think he would.
You don't think? Look at him holding his hands back. I think he realizes that he's a little messy.
You think?
He
likes the mouth part.
Well,
More
here,
messy.
you want to get closer? There you go.
Look how happy he is.
Mm-hmm.
What about our cake?
We'll have some here in a second.
I'm having Jackson's.
That's it, enough.
Oh, he's not gonna eat all. He's not, seriously. What are we gonna do with it?
He's eating it. Look.
He's not gonna eat all of it.
He actually looks like a poopy mess, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting it on his eyebrows now. That's good. That's good.
He says, I'm really doing this. This is pretty cool.
So tomorrow morning, call me and let me know how breakfast went.
Yes, It's going to take us a while to get it out of his nose.